I put my code in, the code is accepted, and it opened
wow.
up. Wow.
And that's how that works, guys.
This is my freaking
oh my
package.
Oh, do our little dance. Yo, we got one.
K-Luke package.
We got one, coach.
Hello, K-Luke package.
That's just how it works, you feel me? K-Luke.
That's it. Is there anything?
What's up, FNS gang, man? What's happening, y'all? Y'all feel me? I'm back with another one, another banger. Look, all small YouTubers, anybody that's trying to do YouTube, let's start now. Let's get those pages up, man. I did this right now just to show you guys, man. Babe, look at the beautiful view. Do they see the beautiful view? Do they see this, man? Look, this is not far away, guys. This is not far-fetched at all. I started with my camera phone. I'm at 10,000 plus subscribers. I can get you there. I can get you 10,000 views, 20,000 views, millions of views. I got hit after hit after hit, y'all. Look, man, the sky is the limit, right? And if you look up real high, you're gonna see FNS up in it. Look, join now while the chance is hot. You know what I'm saying? I'm literally hot. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it, y'all. Let's get it. Let's crank these businesses up this year. This 2019. All I want to see is winners, man. All we do is win. You feel me? And I can get y'all there, man. Marketing, promotion, Facebook, Instagram, anything on that level. You feel me? To all the way to Amazon, packaging. You feel me? I could do everything, man. I'm an affiliate, you feel me? Let's get it. I got my own merch, man. We finna get cracking, y'all. And if y'all want that same type of stuff too, I can give you guys a package that can set you guys up to have everything I'm talking about, you feel me? So, like I said, man, the sky's the limit, y'all. Hurry up before we take off. Y'all hear that plane? Because that's about to be us. That's about to be us, so I'm saying, like, come on, y'all. Join the money team, FNS squad, gang, we out. What's up, FNS gang? What's happening, y'all? We back with another banger. You feel me? You already know what time it is, man. It's 2019, y'all. We not stopping. We gotta come, man. We gotta come with pressure, though. We can't make this easy. And look, we cannot make this up. So today, we getting into something real fancy schmancy. You know what I'm saying? My wife, she downloaded this app. Y'all know we Amazon affiliates, right? Do they know that? Do they know, like,
they know that, but
YouTube cannot just be one source. YouTube is one source of a stream of income, but you also have to have multiple sources, you got. You feel me? How can you stay afloat if you're not a big YouTuber? Well, I got a lot of answers, you guys, and a lot of package deals coming soon, man. They're gonna be inside, so you're gonna have to come and see. But anyways, y'all, like, my wife, right? She made me do this. I had to stay up, like, and figure this out, man, on the phone, and how to add all these different things to the Amazon page for you guys to shop, for her to shop, because she's a shopaholic online when it comes to stuff like that. But guys, we ordered some real special parts, man, to give you guys more clarity, right?
Yeah.
Right. So we want you guys to have more clarity, right? We want you guys to be able to hear us more, see us better, and
all the graphics that we show you guys, we want you to be able to see it, you know, clearer and so much better.
Yeah.
So, y'all, I ordered something off of Amazon yesterday, and it wasn't supposed to come until, so let's just say yesterday was Monday. It wasn't supposed to come until Wednesday.
It's a Wednesday, y'all.
Right? But then, like, I'm just sitting diddly and daddly, and I get a notification, and they told me your package has been delivered. Yay!
Hey, wait. Whoa! So y'all know it's lit, man. So that's what happened when y'all order through y'all, you know what I'm saying, y'all favorites, right?
Yeah. So I ordered through the link, and then it was here before the time that they said that it was going to come. So they dropped it off to this really cool thing that Amazon has. It's called Amazon Lockers.
Hold on, guys. It's called the Baby.
That one's particular name is Baby. Well, our mail and stuff is like an hour away, so I had to deliver it closer to home.
Yeah.
So you just go in, they send you the code, they drop your stuff off, send you a unique code, which I'm gonna show you how to do.
I'm gonna show you guys,
there. And then you just put your code in, it unlocks, and
we're gonna show you how to order too, right? We're gonna show them how to order from our storefront, right?
Yeah.
Specifically from our storefront, you can get you know, percentages off, you guys, man. So look,
and get your packages delivered.
It will be down in the description below, and you get your packages a day early. That's what I'm kind of trying to guarantee you guys. So we're gonna show you somewhere up in the screen, somewhere on how this go, how you download it, how you order, and you know what I'm saying. We're gonna get all that. But you know, I just want to be your favorite, right? We just want to be that.
We just want to be your favorite.
Ooh, hit that note one time.
We just want to be your favorite.
Ooh, I just want to be your favorite. Hey, for real though, y'all. But yeah, we about to show y'all right now, man. Let's get right into it.
So this is how the locker looks. I don't exactly know how it works, but I'm assuming like once I put in the code. So I have the Amazon app, obviously, and
Yes,
they
sir.
sent me the notification
Yes,
and gave
sir.
me my secret code. So it says touch to start.
Which I'm gonna
So
blow
I
it
have
out.
received a
So
new
I'm trying to
pickup.
get
Okay, so when I put my code in, which is,
Don't get crazy.
so I put my code in, the code is accepted and it
Oh,
opened
wow.
up. Wow.
And that's how that works, guys.
This is my
Oh my
freaking
God.
package.
Oh, Dorla Dan. Yo, we got
Hello,
one.
K-Luke package.
We got one, coach.
Hello, K-Luke package.
That's just how it works, you feel me? K-Luke.
That's it. Is there anything else in there?
K-Luke, do it say anything from when did you purchase from us?
No, it just says K-Luke.
All right, y'all, then I'm gonna show y'all how much I made from this little package, you guys. And man, look, we not telling y'all that we gonna get y'all Lamborghinis. We not telling y'all we gonna get y'all Porsches. We not telling y'all quit y'all 9 to 5s, none of that, right? But y'all do want a job, right? As y'all working with YouTube, as y'all growing. That should be it.
So just close the locker,
Bye-bye.
right? Bye, locker.
Bye-bye, locker. Bye, baby. Bye, baby.
Bye, baby.
My
Thank you,
baby.
baby.
My baby. But anyways, y'all, yeah, we not telling y'all that y'all gonna make $1 billion gazillion because, you know, we just now starting it. But we trying to tell y'all that it works, man. And we got a method for you guys. And we can show you guys and teach you guys how to start this thing up. But look, man, we gonna show you all our surprise when we get to the crib, though, man. Look, we got a lot of big things, man. This stuff, the quality and everything finna get a little 20 times colder, right?
What?
We about to run home, right?
What?
We about to run home,
After
y'all.
we get
Cause we about to
something
see.
to eat, though.
After we get something to eat, though, we about to go get something to eat. What, we gotta go to Buffalo Wild Wings? Did you want Buffalo Wild Wings or what?
We ate chicken 3 days in a row.
Oh well, we don't want chicken. Yeah, we did. So what do you want?
Buffalo Wild Wings does have that 2-4 though. So
They got
maybe.
the 2 for something at Buffalo Wild Wings, y'all. So I was just trying to eat good, you feel me? But I don't know, we gonna figure it out, y'all. But any old ways, right? If y'all really want to pay attention, y'all really want to stay tuned, y'all really want to try to learn something different and new in a good way, you know what I'm saying? To earn some extra cash, you feel me? While you at your 9 to 5, sleeping, while you waking up, when you going to dinner and everything else, right? Stay tuned, you feel me? Your boy got you, man. I'm sleaze, baby. I don't never do you sleazy. One up the sleeve, though. All right, y'all,
So we finally got our food. I don't know what you're showing that for. That's later.
Yeah, that's later.
We finally got our food. Buffalo
So-
Wild Wings took 40 years to give me my food.
Hey, if y'all didn't check out our blazing hot wing that we did when we used to work at Chrysler.
So we got garlic parm wings. We got sweet barbecue wings. We
And then
got
y'all look, let me
the
tell y'all
blue cheese, and then we got
how we can't eat at one spot.
the cheese and carrots. I mean the carrots and celery. Then we went
then
to
we
Del
got-
Taco. We got a taco, some fries.
A
It's a
taco.
fish taco, some fries.
Some fries.
Our strawberry lemonade, and
Strawberry lemonade.
then we got some water and stuff.
We got water and stuff. We're gonna chill, you know what I'm saying? I don't really want to give y'all a mukbang for real though, because we about to go in here and show y'all the different qualities of the camera lenses and all that, and we might do an unbox. So, you know what I'm saying? Just stay tuned. This is a vloggy vlog for real. Right, for real. We're just showing y'all the process of the come up. Oh, we got churros. Mini boys. So them just came out, y'all. So go check out the churro mini boy. You know what I'm saying?
These are your wings though. I'm sorry.
I got barbecue. Oh, we gonna just we're gonna here. Praise him. We got all flats too, cause she's
I
a
got
little
all
flat.
flats because I love flats. I cannot eat drums.
Okay. One.
Yeah, he's looking for the sauciest ones to keep for himself and then taking the most sauciest ones that I have in my box.
She lying.
1, 2, okay, that's it. And then you can have the rest of them.
Yeah. What did we tell y'all? We're gonna be lit all 2019.
This is our 3rd day eating chicken in a row.
It's 3rd day, and I hope she's tired of it, y'all, because she
And
been
that's it, I'm
craving
not eating
chicken. She
chicken
been
for-
craving chicken for so long. Am I lying or no?
No.
She been craving chicken every
I've
day.
been craving chicken
right.
for, like,
and I've
2 weeks.
been playing with her like, no, I don't want that. I don't want that. Now we chicken her ass out, yo.
Yeah, I ate chicken 3 days now. I'm kind of done with chicken. I don't need to eat no more chicken for a little while.
Been chickened her ass out. Please, I hope so, y'all. I don't want.
But it's just so hard because I ate everything that there is to eat
She
around
does chicken.
here.
Well, we gotta start trying some Indian
And
food.
there's nothing to eat.
I want some.
And the Indian people around here, I don't know what they be doing.
We're gonna try something different. I'm tired of the same stuff.
But if y'all know anything good to eat, like comment down below and let me know. what I can eat that's so good, or like your favorite restaurants and your favorite food at the restaurant, but nothing that has pork in it because I don't eat pork.
Yeah, we don't eat pork, guys. That's another thing. So.
But chicken and beef and fish and stuff, I'm totally down to try it.
Yeah, it's soul food.
And soul food that doesn't have pork, like
Yep.
some good macaroni, some yams, some greens with some turkey necks.
You talking like you know something? Yo,
And some hot sauce.
Did she sound like she know something?
I know something.
How many 90 babies we got following us? Or fucking with us? No, put it down in the comments. I want to know the 90 babies and the 80 babies. You know what I'm saying? I want to see how many 90 and 80 babies we got rocking with us. I don't need some of y'all thoughts and opinions. And we got some little stuff coming up. A lot of you guys.
Yeah, this is the last video that's going to be like crap quality or whatever, regular quality. Because we about to... The stuff that we have that we got.
We got in store for y'all.
So exciting!
Everything's gonna be lit all the way down to the YouTube space stuff that we working on. The turn up is real. That's why I'm telling y'all, like, go ahead and reserve y'all seats now. I'll be a part of it. Y'all gonna be like, oh man, I remember when they was at 10K or they started from the bottom. I remember when they was at 3,000. Some people know. Some people know, but
yeah, some people have been with us since we were at like 0, 3,000. It took us like 6 months or 3 months to move from 3,000.
It took a minute, y'all. It didn't take long, but
we were consistent.
And I'll be balling so hard we can play the pistol. So, there you go.
But
We just wanted to tell y'all that, and we made it home safely, and we about to go in here and we about to really spice everything up. We're gonna get y'all together, so. You know what I'm saying? We about to eat real fast. And
then we'll be back when we go in the house.
Hope to see y'all there. You know? Hope to see y'all there. Just leave y'all shoes at the door. You know what I'm saying?
Please leave your shoes at the door because no shoes allowed in the house because shoes have germs on it and like you walk on the sidewalk and then you get it all over the place. So even at home, you guys should incorporate not wearing shoes in the house because it's really disgusting.
But leave your shoes at the door, y'all. All right, come on.